Hey guys, I'm Tanya and welcome to my channel. So today's video is all about a skin lightening, skin brightening and a dark spots removal face mask. So this face mask is highly effective and is 100% natural as well. It has all the natural ingredients which will brighten up your skin tone, will also lighten the dark spots, pigmentation and hyperpigmentation marks, and will really even tone your skin. So to prepare this face mask, you firstly gonna need a potato, and potato is a very good natural ingredient for your skin. It really brightens up your skin tone. It also has skin bleaching, skin lightening and skin brightening properties into it, and it is one of the most powerful natural ingredients in treating your skin pigmentation, dark spots, acne scars as well as the hyperpigmentation problem. It will definitely remove all of those pesky marks which are not going anywhere. So potatoes really help in skin brightening, skin lightening and in anti-aging as well. So to prepare this face mask, I'm just going to take this one potato and now I'm just going to cut it into small pieces. And now I'm just going to transfer all these small pieces into a grinding jar, and now after that you're gonna need rose water, and here I'm just adding 3 to 4 tablespoons of rose water into it, and now you just have to blend it really nicely to make a smooth paste out of it. And after blending it nicely, your homemade potato paste will look something like this. Now we have to strain this paste, and for that I'm just using a strainer, and now I'm just putting all this potato paste into it and now straining it really well to take out all the potato juice out of it. And after straining it nicely, your homemade potato juice is ready, and it will look something like this, and we'll use this potato juice to make our face mask. So now let's prepare this homemade skin lightening, skin brightening and dark spot removal face mask. So to prepare this face mask, we firstly gonna need baking soda, and here I'm just taking approx 1 tablespoon of this baking soda into a clean bowl. Next up, you're gonna need honey, and here I'm adding 1 tablespoon of honey into it. Now you're gonna need aloe vera gel, and here I'm adding 1 tablespoon of aloe vera gel into it. And after adding the aloe vera gel, you're gonna need that potato juice which we just made, and here I'm adding 2 teaspoons of potato juice into it. And now lastly, you're gonna need lemon, and here I'm squeezing half lemon into it. And as you can see that after just adding the lemon juice, this mask start bubbling up. So now you just have to mix everything really nicely so that they all combine with each other well and makes a smooth and a runny paste. And after mixing everything really well, your homemade skin lightening, skin brightening and dark spots and pigmentation removal face mask is ready and will look something like this. And the consistency of this face mask should be a little runny as I'm showing you in the video. So this face mask is highly effective to treat your skin pigmentation, dark spots, hyperpigmentation problem. It really removes all those pesky masks and makes your skin really glowing and clear. It also has skin lightening and skin brightening properties into it. So it will also even tone your skin and makes your skin really bright, glowing, radiant and supremely spotless and clear. So the procedure to apply this face mask is supremely simple. Just take a cotton ball and just dip the cotton ball into this mixture and apply it onto your affected areas where you have dark spots, pigmentation or have acne scars. Or you can even apply this face mask all over your face and neck to brighten up your skin tone and to make your skin really lighter and whiter. And after applying this face mask on your skin, just leave it like that for around 15 to 20 minutes. And after that, just rinse it off using normal water and powder and moisturize your skin. And for the best results, you have to use this face mask once or twice in a week. So yeah, that's it for this video. I really hope that you enjoyed this video, and if you like it, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. And yeah, I'll see you guys super soon with a brand new video. Till then, bye bye, take care.